Port 22 TCP SSH, secure remote login. Port 23 TCP, telnet, unencrypted text communication, insecure compared to SSH. Port 69 UDP, TFTP, file transfer without authentication, less secure than FTP. Port 21. Port 161 UDP, SNMP, network management monitoring. Versions 1 and 2 are insecure, version 3 adds security. Port 389 TCP UDP, LDAP, accesses directory services. Secure version LDAP uses port 636. Port 443 TCP, HTTPS, secure HTTP using SSL TLS. Standard HTTP uses port 80. Port 445 TCP, SMB, file sharing in Windows. Port 514 UDP, Syslog, sends system log messages to a centralized server. Important for log management. Ports 989 990th TCP, FTPS, FTP over SSL TLS. Port 3389 TCP, RDP. Remote desktop for Windows must be secured.